The iPhone 16 unboxing video emerged online. With only a few days left until the official launch of the iPhone 16, Apple is gearing up to dominate the competition. According to another leaked image shared by Sonny Dixon on his X account formerly known as Twitter, the iPhone 16 Pro will introduce a new rose titanium color, expanding the options to four: black, white, natural titanium, and rose titanium. The first leak-making wave is a short video titled iPhone 16 Blue Unboxing that has surfaced online. The device featured in the video showcases an impressive matte finish. Its dual-camera setup is similar to the iPhone X, but appears larger, with the flash positioned outside the camera module, giving it a distinctive look. The video also reveals a transparent back cover with a MagSafe charging design. Overall, the mock-up device looks both beautiful and stunning, leaving a strong impression. The device also has one of the standout features: the new touch-sensitive capture button, which is now an old talk. It offers various functionalities based on how it's pressed. A light press initiates autofocus, a firmer press captures a photo or starts video recording, and swiping left or right adjusts the zoom. Additional gestures are expected to enhance the user experience. However, the 60 Hz display remains a downside that can't be overlooked. Despite this, the iPhone 16 has plenty to offer, including iOS 18, the powerful and efficient A18 Bionic chipset, and a decent camera setup. The second leak reveals the new rose titanium color for the iPhone 16 Pro, giving the device a striking and distinctive appearance. While earlier rumors had speculated about a rose-colored option, this new shade is a unique blend of yellow and pink, adding an interesting and standout quality to the device. The rose titanium finish truly enhances the phone's overall aesthetic, making it look exceptionally beautiful. Did you like the color? Let us know in the comments. Another interesting update is that the iOS 18 source code hints at Apple using the A18 Bionic chip in both Pro and non-Pro models. This suggests that all four variants will share the same power and performance, though the standard iPhone 16 and 16 Plus may have some underclocking or GPU binning to differentiate them. This decision shows that Apple is planning to roll out Apple Intelligence features to the entire 16 lineup. In a surprising development, Apple might launch a special edition iPhone 17 Air next year. This device is rumored to be incredibly thin, potentially half the thickness of the iPhone 15 Pro, making it almost as thin as a USB-C port. This could be a groundbreaking design shift. If you want a dedicated video on iPhone 17 Air, let us know in the comments. According to Mark Gurman, the iPhone 16 might launch on September 10th. He also mentions that the iPhone 16 won't ship with Apple Intelligence out of the box, as this feature is reserved for iOS 18.1, which will be available as an incremental update for both iPhone 15 and 16 users in October. That's all for this video. What do you think about the iPhone 17 Air? Are you excited about the iPhone 16 launch? Which model are you going to buy? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.